Breaking news. General Rawat, who was born in 16 March 1958 in the northern state of Qatar, had the reputation of being a tough soldier and an inspiring commander. The Chief of Defense Staff, General Bipin Rawat, his wife and 11 others died after the M1-17V5 helicopter came down in the hills near the corner city on Wednesday morning. India's top military commander has been killed in an helicopter crash in the southern state of the Tamil Nadu, the country's air force says. However, one survivor is being treated for his injuries in the hospital. It should be remembered that General Rawat, 63, was appointed India's first ever Chief of Defense Staff Forces in January 2019. This brought together the Army, the Navy and the Air Force. The General Rawat has been in charge of the range of operations, including the Indian administered Kashmir. The Indian forces said it had ordered an investigation into the accident which happened in the foggy weather. May his soul rest in eternal peace. However, we can get through some of the tweets that have been condolence tweets from different corners of the world for such kind of brave soldier and a brave commander that we've lost in this world of brave people. May his soul rest in the eternal peace. Amen.